Hello friends, welcome again. In last lecture we completed the first point of the chapter, that is the metalloenzyme, which are three types: zinc metalloenzyme, copper metalloenzyme, and the last one is the iron metalloenzyme. Today we are going to start the next point of this chapter, that is the metalloporphyrin. Okay, what is metalloporphyrin? Metalloporphyrin means the complex in which metal atom present in ring which is made up of four pyrrole such a compound is called, or such a complex is called, metalloporphyrin. Just like metalloenzyme. Metalloenzyme is what? The active site of that enzyme contain metal. Just like that, metalloporphyrin means the metal atom present in the center of ring. That ring is made up of pyrrole. Such compounds are called as a metalloporphyrin. Okay, for example, suppose this is the nitrogen of pyrrole. Okay, and this is the ring. And here the metal atom is present. Such a compound is called as a metalloporphyrin, and these metalloporphyrin are two types. Just metalloenzymes are three types. The metalloporphyrins are two types. Okay, the first metalloporphyrin is hemoglobin. And second, myoglobin. Okay, so today we are going to start the next point, that is the metalloporphyrin. And metalloporphyrins are nothing but in metal is present at the center of ring. That ring is made up of pyrrole. Such a complex or such a compounds are called as a metalloporphyrin, and these metalloporphyrin are the two types, hemoglobin and the myoglobin. And today we are going to see the first metalloporphyrin, that is the hemoglobin, and everyone know what is the hemoglobin. And today we are going to see the structure and the function and some characteristics of hemoglobin. So the first metalloporphyrin, that is the hemoglobin. Okay. We know, all of you know that what is the hemoglobin. So what we say about hemoglobin? Hemoglobin present in all animals, or it is a metalloporphyrin. It is present in all animals. It is present in all animals. Okay. Hemoglobin, all of you know that hemoglobin, which is the metalloporphyrin, and it is present in all animal. It is also called as a red blood protein. It is also called as red blood protein. Red blood protein, because it having red color. Okay, now this hemoglobin which is a metalloporphyrin, and we know that porphyrin ring is that it is a ring of pyrrole structure, and that center of that ring metal atom is a present. Okay, and that metal is maybe different. Some ring having cobalt, some ring having calcium, and some ring having iron or something. Okay, and in hemoglobin, the center of the porphyrin ring Fe atom is present. Center of porphyrin ring, center of porphyrin ring Fe atom is present. Fe atom is present. And the oxidation state of that Fe atom is +2. The oxidation state of Fe atom is +2. Okay, so in the porphyrin ring structure of hemoglobin, the center of that porphyrin ring of hemoglobin Fe atom is present, and the oxidation state of that Fe atom is nothing but the +2. Okay, now there are 4 heme group. मी तुम्हाला आधी सांगितलेलं आहे की Fe atom जेव्हा porphyrin रिंगच्या सेंटरला प्रेझेंट असतो, ठीक आहे, ती जी कशापासून बनलेली आहे, पायरल पासून, 4 पायरल पासून porphyrin रिंग बनलेली असती, आणि जेव्हा त्याच्या सेंटरला Fe atom प्रेझेंट असतो त्याला हीम ग्रुप सुद्धा म्हणतात. अँड आता जसं आपण कॅटालेज, सायटोक्रोम, ऑक्सिडेज वगैरे जे बघितले, काय मध्ये 1 हीम ग्रुप आहे, काय मध्ये 4 हीम ग्रुप आहे. जस्ट लाईक दॅट इन हिमोग्लोबिन 4 हीम ग्रुप आर प्रेझेंट. इन hemoglobin 4 heme group are present. 4 heme group are present. Okay, so it is made up of globin plus heme. These hemoglobin, the globin molecule also present in the hemoglobin, and 4 heme groups are present. That's why it is made up of globin plus heme, that is hemoglobin. Okay, so today we will see the metalloporphyrin, in which the metal atom present in the center of a ring, that is called as a metalloporphyrin, and these metalloporphyrin are the 2 types, hemoglobin and myoglobin. And today we are going to see the first metalloporphyrin, that is the hemoglobin, which is present in all animal, and it is also called as a red blood protein. And in hemoglobin, the porphyrin ring having Fe as a center metal atom whose oxidation state is +2, and which is also called as a heme group, and there are total 4 heme group present in the hemoglobin. So these globin molecules which are present in hemoglobin prevent the oxidation of that Fe, or it prevent to convert the oxidation state of Fe into the +3. That is the main role of the globin molecule. Now listen. So this is the porphyrin ring. Okay, this is the position occupied by the water molecule, and here the histidine nitrogen of amino acid is present, the 6th position. CH2 CHCO. This is the structure of porphyrin means ring, and here the 4 heme groups are present. So there are total 4 heme groups are present in the hemoglobin along with globin molecule. That's why it is called as a hemoglobin. Now in hemoglobin 4 polypeptides are present: alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1 and beta 2. In hemoglobin 4 polypeptides are present. In hemoglobin 4 polypeptides are present. Polypeptides are present. Alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2. These are the main 4 polypeptides who are present in the hemoglobin, and this polypeptide may play important role for the hemoglobin. So alpha 1, alpha 2 having 141 amino acid. Beta 1, beta 2 having 146 amino acid. So total 141 into 2 plus 146 into 2 is equal to 574 amino acid present in hemoglobin. In this hemoglobin, the 4 polypeptides are present who play important role in the hemoglobin, and these are alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1 and beta 2. Alpha 1, alpha 2 contain 141 amino acid, beta 1, beta 2 contain 146 amino acid. So there are total 574 amino acids are present in the hemoglobin. Its molecular weight is 64,500 Dalton. Molecular weight of hemoglobin is 64,500 Dalton. 64,500 Dalton. Okay, now the hemoglobin, we say that the hemoglobin is a red blood protein. I am already saying hemoglobin is a red blood protein, but the red blood having after oxygenation. Okay, these hemoglobin which are present in all animals, the main color of that hemoglobin is the red color, but the red color of hemoglobin is present after oxygenation, and before oxygenation it having blue color. So in hemoglobin, the 5th position is occupied by the water molecule and the 6th position is occupied by the nitrogen of histidine amino acid, and that the 5th position of water molecule is replaced by the oxygen molecule, and that hemoglobin is converted into the oxyhemoglobin, and after hemoglobin is converted into the oxyhemoglobin, that hemoglobin having red color. So it combined with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin. This hemoglobin is combined with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin. It combined with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin. Now show the slide. Fe. nitrogen of histidine amino acid present, and here the water molecule is present. So fifth position is occupied by the water molecule and the sixth position is occupied by the nitrogen of histidine amino acid, and this hemoglobin is reacted with the oxygen and that water molecule is replaced by the oxygen molecule. And in this way, after combined with oxygen, the hemoglobin is converted into the oxyhemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin. And the oxyhemoglobin having red color. And before oxygenation, it having blue color, deoxyhemoglobin. Deoxyhemoglobin, which having blue color, and when it combined with oxygen, that hemoglobin is converted into oxyhemoglobin, and oxyhemoglobin having red color. Okay, now we already know that hemoglobin, which is the main constituent present in the all animal, and mostly it having the oxygen, or it is in the form of oxygenated hemoglobin, which having red color. Okay, then the function of hemoglobin is related with the oxygen, and we know that the function of hemoglobin is what? It collect or it transfer oxygen from lungs to various organ and collect CO2 from various organ to the lungs. That is the main function of hemoglobin, because it is that hemoglobin present in the body, that hemoglobin is in the oxygenated form. So the main function of hemoglobin is the transfer of oxygen from lungs to various organ of body and collect CO2 from the various organ to the lungs. Okay, so the function of hemoglobin is transfer of oxygen. The function of hemoglobin is the transfer of oxygen, the transfer of oxygen from lungs to various organs and collect CO2 from various organs to lungs. Various organ to lungs. Okay. So this is the first metanoporphyrin, that is the hemoglobin, which is the red blood protein, which is found in all and one animals, and it having 4 polypeptide, alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2. That's why there are total 574 amino acids present in the hemoglobin, and the molecular weight of hemoglobin is the 64,500 Dalton, and it having 4 heme group present with globin. That's why it is called as a hemoglobin, and the main function of hemoglobin is the transfer of oxygen from lungs to various organs and collect CO2 from various organs to the lungs. Okay, now see the final structure of hemoglobin. Okay. What is its loop like? hemoglobin looks like in this way. Okay, so this is the final structure of hemoglobin, and this ring is called as a porphyrin ring, which is made up of 4 pyrrole. In the center of that pyrrole ring, Fe atom is present. That's why it is also called as a heme group. So this is the first metalloporphyrin, that is the hemoglobin, the structure, characteristic and their function. In next lecture we will see the second metalloporphyrin, that is the myoglobin. Okay, thank you so much for watching.